Hey guys, it is officially day 2 of Vlogtober. So I told you guys that I'm going to brunch today, so I'm gonna do a quick get ready with me. I'm not gonna talk to anything. I'm literally gonna speed this through because y'all see me do my makeup all the time. So I'm just gonna do a quick simple beat, y'all, because I gotta go. It is 9:30 and we gotta be there for 11. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn your bell notifications on to get notified every time I post. But yeah, let me get straight into it because I'm playing around.
Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. 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 Listen, you've been missing since 2016. Squid tell me one fixed. You know that's my assistant. When she speak, I listen. She swears you're my missing. I say we think different. I see. By your heart I see. Come baby, come try me. Who you gonna love if you run by me, love? Too many twists and turns, yeah. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Baby, call me, I too fry, I get burned, yeah. Love the way you twist and turn, yeah. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the tight and heat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease.
Okay guys, so I am dressed and everything. So the scent of the day is this Black Opium by YSL. This one smells so good, y'all. And this is the dress that I'm wearing. And then I'm bringing this green purse, this green Coach purse, because I think it works so perfect. And then I have some gold sandals on. Look at my hot mama. Yeah. Oh, and there goes my hot daughter. Woo. We got the birthday girl. Please. So we are about to go take some pictures because we gotta take memories. I'm a little lit. Hey y'all, so I'm officially back home. I changed my clothes so I can be a little bit more comfortable, but I wanted to jump on real quick and show you guys some new products that I got. I picked them up from the MORPHE website, and I also got some from the drugstore. So I wanted to show you real quick because I had to put y'all on some of these products that I've tried out so far, and then I also want to show you guys some new stuff that I got as well that I'm going to be trying out, and then I'm gonna let y'all know after I use them, you know, how I like them and everything. So the first one is this concealer from ELF. Y'all, this concealer, this is the 16-hour camo concealer. It has a matte finish, so if you're oily, this one will work really good for you, because I had my makeup done since like 10 a.m. Since 10 a.m. and my face still looks good. All I had to do was just blot it with the sponge and it like revived. So I really like this concealer. It definitely is kind of living up to its 16-hour wear. It is $6.28 right now, so it lasted a good few hours. in my opinion. So I definitely like this one. I think this concealer was $8.99. Let me look it up. So this concealer is only $6, y'all, and it definitely lasts. This one I got for my shade. I got medium beige. I also got medium warm, so I got 2 of them. I think the medium warm was a little bit too light, but you know, I could still use it. I picked up the trio primer set. I don't know where the other one is, but I picked up a trio elf primer set, and I've been trying them out because I wanted to try the smaller sizes before I went on to the big ones, because the big ones were like $16 or $11 in around that price range. But I wanted to try out the small ones first, and then if I like a specific one, I'll just buy it. And it has definitely helped with my makeup application for sure. So from Morphe, I picked up their Luminous setting spray. This one is really good as well. It definitely gives me a nice glow, and it sets my face pretty good. So you know, normally if you don't use setting spray, your makeup won't last as long. So I would definitely recommend the Luminous primer, especially if you know, like your makeup to look a little glowy. I know it's getting colder now. I want to start branching out more on my makeup products, trying new stuff, and letting y'all know, you know, if they're a hit or a miss. So yeah, I would definitely pick those up, and they were super inexpensive. So if you want some nice new products for a good price, we'll pick them up. But that is it, y'all. I don't really have any more products that I can show you guys. Like I said, I want to start experimenting more, just so I can, you know, get different looks, try out different products, and see, you know, like build my collection. And I also want to do a giveaway too. So I'm trying out new products, so when I do the giveaway, I know exactly what products I want to, you know, give to a lucky person. So yeah, if you want to be a part of the giveaway, make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Turn your bell notifications on so you get notified every time I post a video, and it's only up from here, okay? Period. So a lot of y'all also been telling me that y'all like my hair. I'm gonna do a tutorial on how I style my short hair, or just kind of show y'all how I style my short hair, because I really been feeling this shortcut lately too. I've never had short hair before. Like, my hair has always been long, and I always get long weaves, long braids, everything long. So yeah, I wanted to show y'all how I style it. I was having a hard time trying to style my hair, so I had to look up a few videos. I saw this girl on Instagram. I don't remember what her name is, but I saw her with her hair similar to this. Hers was a little bit more curly, but I saw her with something similar to this, and I was like, that looks so good. So I wish I remember her name so I can at her, but she looked so cute. So I was like, I need to do this style, and I really like it. I think I'm gonna keep it for a little bit. I'm feeling like, what's her name? Nia Long. Trying to let my Nia Long, my Halle Berry. But y'all, I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. I'm actually kind of tired and I want to take a nap. I also have to, I'm gonna take a nap, and then I'm gonna film another video for tonight. So I'm gonna end the vlog right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. We are posting every single day for this month of October, because we're doing Vlogtober. My birthday is also at the end of this month as well, so I'm excited for that. So yeah, make sure y'all stay tuned, subscribe to the channel so you can get notified every time I post a video. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.